Hey everybody, Oleg here. I'm a founder of Team & Co. and we build pipeline for our clients with cold email and LinkedIn. So when we do outbound, we usually map all hypotheses based on our client's context. And before we start any campaign, we need to score them or prioritize them because it's usually 20 or 30 hypotheses at once and even more. So one of the parameters is the capacity of companies and people within a specific hypothesis or specific direction. Before, it was quite time consuming and not really accurate as well, specifically for more targeted and more deep hypotheses with more specific ICPs and personas. Now we have Prospeo, and after the latest update, they have a lot of filters, and it looks like they build these filters specifically with keeping in mind the more targeted ICPs and hypotheses, and it really aligns with how we structure this, how we build up the ICPs and hypotheses and the personas in our company. So let's look into some of them. You can easily estimate the number of contacts and companies just by setting the filters, and the filtering options go far beyond the usual ones. So let's check some of them. So let's start with, for example, the company type. So B2B SaaS, so type and business model here, right? So we checked B2B SaaS, and like the business model and type, company type, this is exactly what I tell all my clients and learners about company types. We need to understand exactly which companies we're targeting. And now also, as you can see, they provide a breakdown of how many companies are in each category. So for example, B2B SaaS companies in the US, and these companies within specific employee headcount. You see there's also a breakdown here. And technologies, let's filter companies that are using Pipedrive or HubSpot, for example. And if, for example, these companies are hiring for sales. So you can easily play with these filters. There are also a lot of other attributes you can use. Before, you would have needed to set up an AI agent, like a Clay agent in Clay, to just simply divide companies by fit or not fit. You can also filter by traffic, events, and use. And they also have the intent, buy-in intent. That's probably a subject for another post or video, but it's really awesome. And the same applies to people. Let's find CEO and founders in these specific companies, B2B SaaS, and so on. You can even see how many verified emails are there. You see, not just people, but verified emails and verified phone numbers. So like you can easily crunch the numbers with a few clicks and without spending any credits or anything, you know? And it's really useful, especially when you need to score a lot of different direction and prioritize them and choose which one, you know, is better to start with.